is not just a ship. That is a floating hospital.
I think I'm supposed to blend in as a nurse today. Rich, ambitious. Ambitious. Because I have absolutely no medical training.
Everyone here looks like they know exactly what they're doing. I'm just copying their posture and hoping confidence counts. So this is Britannic, Titanic's sister. White paint, red crosses, and somehow this feels both beautiful and very, very suspicious.
This does not feel like a luxury ship anymore. It feels like someone turned an ocean liner into a hospital overnight. This used to be a grand ocean liner space, and now it's beds. Rows and rows of beds. That changes the whole feeling of the ship. I have been promoted to linen assistant. Very prestigious. No one has asked for my qualifications, which is brave of them.
This is the part that gets me. After Titanic, they changed so much. More safety, more lifeboats, stronger design. And here, an entire ship built to bring people home. It's strange. Everything here is so calm. Beds, blankets, charts, tea. It feels less like a ship and more like a whole hospital floating at sea. This is what gets me. Not the size of the ship, this. Soup, bread, tea. Tiny things that say, we're trying to get you home. I've been trusted with linens. This feels important. I don't know where they go, but I'm holding them with confidence. They fjol me through most twice around this. Lindavis. I keep forgetting this is still a ship. There's a whole hospital behind me. And outside, just sea. This is the thing. After Titanic, they didn't just hope things would be safer. They rebuilt the idea of safety into the ship. A hospital ship, a symbol of care, a safer sister. Everything here feels designed to protect people. And somehow that makes me nervous. Everything up here feels calm. Charts, compass, orders. Like the whole ocean can be managed from one room. Upstairs, it's white linen and quiet footsteps. Down here, it's heat, metal, steam. And people keeping this whole floating hospital alive. Night on a hospital ship is quieter than I expected. Everyone's still working, but softer. Like the whole ship is trying not to wake anyone. Is this dinner?
If you're tired enough, it's a feast.
The corridors feel different at night. During the day, it's all purpose. At night, you hear the ship. What's the first thing you want when you get home?
A bed that doesn't move. And bread that isn't older than me.
Morning on Britannica is almost too beautiful. Flat sea, golden light, everyone calm, which, historically, makes me suspicious. Up here, everything feels measured. Charts, compass, orders. Like the sea is something you can reason with. Everyone's moving like they've done this 100 times. I should feel reassured by that. But the ship feels weirdly quiet.
Did you hear that? It was probably nothing, but everyone just paused. Wait, what was... No one is screaming. That somehow makes it worse. They all know exactly where to go.
On the bridge, everything changes faster than anyone says it out loud. Below us, the ship isn't quiet anymore. You can feel the whole thing asking a question nobody wants to answer.
Everyone is moving now, not running, not panicking, just moving like they know exactly what this means. This is so organized, it's terrifying. Ropes, boats, blankets, orders. Everyone knows their job except me.
Steer 275, maintain speed. 275. Aye, aye, sir.
The scariest part is that nobody wastes a second. It's like the ship has rehearsed fear.
I keep wanting to make a joke. I can't, this is real. This is actually happening. Everyone's moving now. They're trying to keep this calm, but you can feel it. Nobody's joking anymore. That is much lower than it looks from here. Okay. Deep breath. One person at a time. I'm in the boat. We're still right next to the ship. And everyone is trying to stay calm. That ship felt like a whole world a few minutes ago. Now everyone is just watching it from here. We're in the boat now. Everyone's alive around me, but nobody really knows what to say. This is the part history books can't really show you. It's the faces. Everyone is still here, but something just changed. Strange. The sea is so calm now. Britannic was built to save people. And today, that's what everyone kept trying to do. I don't think I'll ever forget how quiet it got after. This is the part history books can't really show you. It's the faces. Everyone is still here, but something just changed.